Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Myself, Ishtiyaq Ahmad Mir, teacher, high school, Sadboin. Today I am going to discuss on a topic that is diversity of animals. Animalia. These are organisms which are eukaryotic, multicellular, and heterotrophic. Their cells do not have cell walls. Most animals are mobile. They are further classified based on the extent and type of the body design differentiation found. Number 1. Porifera. The word means organisms with holes. These are non-motile animals attached to some solid support. There are holes or pores all over the body. These lead to a canal system that helps in circulating water throughout the body to bring in food and oxygen. These animals are covered with a hard outside layer or skeleton. The body design involves very minimal differentiation and division into tissues. They are commonly called sponges and are mainly found in marine habitats. Number 2. Colentrata. These are animals living in water. They show more body design differentiation. There is a cavity in the body. The body is made up of two layers of cells. One makes up cells on the outside of the body and the other makes the inner lining of the body. Some of these species live in colonies while others have a solitary like span. Jellyfish and sea anemones are common examples. Number 3. Polyhelminthes. The body of animals in this group is far more complexly designed than in the two other groups we have considered so far. The body is bilaterally symmetrical, meaning that the left and the right halves of the body have the same design. There are three layers of the cells from which differentiated tissues can be made, which such animals are called tryptoblastic. This allows outside and inside body linings as well as some organs to be made. There is some degree of tissue formation. However, there is no true internal body cavity or column in which well-developed organs can be accommodated. The body is flattened dorso-ventrally, meaning from top to bottom, which is why these animals are called flatworms. They are either free-living or parasitic. Some examples are free-living animals like pelerines or parasitic animals like liver flukes. Number 4. Nematoda. The nematode body is also bilaterally symmetrical and tryptoblastic. However, the body is cylindrical rather than flattened. There are tissues but no real organs, although a sort of body cavity or a pseudocoelom is present. There are very familiar as parasitic worms causing diseases such as the worms causing elephantiasis or the worms in the intestines, roundworm or pinworm. Number 5. Annelida. Annelid animals are also bilaterally symmetrical and tryptoblastic, but in addition, they have a true body cavity. This allows true organs to be packaged in the body structure. There is thus extensive organ differentiation. This differentiation occurs in a segmental fashion, with the segments lined up one after the other from head to tail. These animals are found in a variety of habitats: freshwater, marine water, as well as land. Earthworms and leeches are familiar examples. Number 6. Arthropoda. This is probably the largest group of animals. These animals are bilaterally symmetrical and segmented. There is an open circulatory system, and so the blood does not flow in well-defined blood vessels. The coelomic cavity is blood-filled. They have jointed legs. The word arthropod means jointed legs. Some familiar examples are piranhas, butterflies, houseflies, spiders, and crabs. Number 7. Mollusca. In the animals of this group, there is bilateral symmetry. The coulommic cavity is reduced. There is little segmentation. They have an open circulatory system and kidney-like organs for excretion. There is a foot that is used for moving around. Examples are snails and mussels. Number 8. Echinodermata. In Greek, echinos means head, headings, and derma means skin. Thus, there are spiny skinned organisms. These are exclusively free-living marine animals. They are tryptoblastic and have a coulommic cavity. They also have a vesicular water-driven tube system that they use for moving around. They have hard calcium carbonate structures that they use as skeleton. Examples are starfish and sea urchins. Number 10. Protochordata. Protochordata. These animals are bilaterally symmetrical, tryptoblastic, and have a column. In addition, they show a new feature of body design, namely a notochord, at least at some stages during their lives. The notochord is a long rod-like structure. The notochord is a long rod-like support structure along the back of the animal, separating the nervous tissue from the gut. It provides a place for muscles to attach for ease of movement. Protochordates may not have a proper notochord present at all stages in their lives or for the entire length of the animals. Number 11. Vertebrates. These animals have a true vertebral column and internal skeleton, allowing a completely different distribution of muscle attachment points to be used for movement. Vertebrates are bilaterally symmetrical, tryptoblastic, coulommic, and segmented, with complex differentiation of body tissue and organs. All chordates possess the following features: have a notochord, have a dorsal nerve cord, or tryptoblastic, have paired gill pouches. Vertebrates are grouped into 5 classes. Okay.